12.7. Average 11.4.
Not bad.
So that OLL I had recently learned, तो उसमें 2 सेकंड चले गए while recognizing, but I'm very happy with that.
Yeah.
Cause pressure.
वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल एंड अ ब्रांड न्यू व्लॉग. मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से व्लॉग पोस्ट नहीं किया, आई थिंक 10 days हो गए हैं. बट आई ट्राई टू व्लॉग इन बिटवीन, बट मेरे को लग रहा था बहुत रेपिटेटिव और फोर्स्ड है, तो आई डिडंट रियली कंपाइल दैट फुटेज. But I thought I'd start vlogging around the time I am closer to the competition. So the clip you saw in the start is me and Saket practicing from yesterday. We did a lot of comp simulation practice and I think it was really helping the both of us. Abhi Ridan aane wala hai yahan pe. Ridan is one of my students and also one of my very good friends. He's like a little brother to me. So he's coming here with his driver and we'll be going to Agra from here together. To quickly show you guys what I've packed for the competition. As always, पीछे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं तो aura minus हो रहा है वीडियो का. But anyway, I'll show you what I've packed. Cubes, कपड़े सब. And also I'll show you my stats before I leave for the competition because मैंने काफ़ी practice करी थी कल and I was getting really good times. And I ended off on a very good note as well. So I want to show you that and then we'll leave for the comp. Packed my main cubes. Weilong V10. ये दोनों में से कोई एक मैं यूज़ करूँगा. Auchong V6 Apex by the Cubology. GAN जो मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रहा but I'll still carry it. Aosu, Auchong, another Auchong dual track but this is like the base version. GAN 2x2, GAN Pyraminx and that is Wingy's Cube. My tripod for recording the sols, hand warmers and yeah. That's it all I've packed for the cubing bag. Okay, here I packed my outfit for tomorrow which I need to press and press मैं carry कर रहा हूँ साथ में. Here is my skin care. रात में जो पहनूंगा कपड़े वो थोड़ा फ्रीली सोने के लिए. क्या बोल रहा हूँ मैं, कॉम्ब. आई डोंट नो व्हाई आई एम शोइंग दिस बट ओके. कैरिंग मैं बड़े वाला ट्राइपॉड एज वेल बिकॉज आई माइट रिकॉर्ड सम कॉम्ब वीडियोज लाइक कंपाइल करने के लिए, तो ये भी मैं साथ कैरी करूँगा. सर माई स्टार्ट्स बिफोर आई लीव फॉर द कॉम्पिटिशन. 869 सॉल्व करे मैंने. 69, हाँ नाइस. एनीवे एवरेज ऑफ 500 is 7.10, बेस्ट is 7.04. आई थिंक बहुत पहले वो थी बट आई एम प्रीटी हैप्पी विद द कंसिस्टेंसी विच आई एम एबल टू अचीव. And also last night when I was practicing, I want to show you this. This average 566, 540, 720, 566, 623. Ended off here 585 average पे. इसके बाद मैंने बहुत casual solves किए थे. But I was still getting really good times. So I'm hoping to pull off something nice at the competition. I bring my laptop because I have to work. I have to give a cubing session वहाँ जाके भी. And I am carrying my speed stacks का timer to practice. Hopefully Ridan is carrying as well because just in case. I'm going to miss this kiddo so much, even though sometimes he's a pain in my ass. But I love you, Leo. I'll miss you. Take care. And I'll win for you. So we have left for the competition. The day we had been waiting for. Ridan के भी exams technically चल रहे हैं. हाँ. Would you care to tell कि क्या हुआ अभी इस week?
My last exam had to end tomorrow, 20th को. So मतलब आज actually, हाँ आज है ना 20th? हाँ.
Yep.
They had to end today. बट हमारा कुछ बोर्ड का इशू हुआ तो इट्स एंडिंग ऑन 21st. तो द कॉम्प इज ऑन 21st. सो फॉर मी दे हैड अरेंज्ड टू रीशेड्यूल द डेट्स क्योंकि टेक्निकली लास्ट एग्जाम 23rd को बाकी होगा. तो नाउ माय लास्ट एग्जाम इज आल्सो ऑन 23rd.
So on Monday and he's in 11th grade, so that is why it's relatively chill. Yeah. But he is able to make it for the comp and he was my ride or die for this competition क्योंकि इसके बिना नहीं आ सकता था. तो sorted है. So Ridan is trying my GAN V100. How is it different to yours?
It's smoother, a little faster, but stable. Like I'm able to control it. Mine's very loose.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean this was set up by Hitesh. जब मैंने मंगाया था तो मैंने set up करके मंगाया था. So I like this cube, but I was not getting very good times compared to my V10 here. But it's a good cube.
I might try it out in the first round.
Yeah, you can use mine as well.
I'll use all.
Guys, I'm trying Ridan's GAN V100, which I like more than mine. It feels more stable to me than my own cube, and he says my cube is stable for him. So just a solve here. Not the best solve. Shit. Main cube is out. Ridan is going to do his first time solve of the day. Pressure मैं build कर रहा हूँ इसके ऊपर ताकि he is ready for tomorrow. What are your goals for tomorrow?
Let's try for sub 10 average.
Sub 10 average. Let's go. We got this. We have practiced a lot for this. भाषा है परफॉर्मेंस एंजाइटी.
I don't know. Let's try.
So we have just checked in the room. Rizan is here. This credit goes to his parents. They have booked the room for us, and also the travel again all on Rizan. So we'll be ordering some food right now. We'll eat and then we'll start practicing. 6 से 7 मुझे एक session देना है. So that time he will practice, maybe study, bro. He has an exam on Monday like we discussed. But anyway, very nice room. Everything is sorted. We are here at 4.
4 sharp.
एग्जैक्ट 4. बहुत जल्दी आ गए, सही किया हम टाइम पे आ गए. सो वी हैव कम डाउनस्टेयर्स. अभी हमने ब्लिंकिट से सामान ऑर्डर किया है. डाइट कोक है, चिप्स है एंड एक ऐसी चीज़ है. या गाइस वी आर ड्रिंकिंग नॉन अल्कोहलिक हाई ऑन स्ट्रॉबेरी
No alcoholic. लिखा है.
Coolberg. I've never had this. I don't drink non-alcoholic or alcoholic. Diet Coke is non-alcoholic.
खाना खा रहा हूँ रितिका.
That's me and Kangna.
Me and Ritika.
Rizan and I had something to eat. McDonald's खाया हमने मस्त. And now we'll be practicing for a bit. It's currently what time?
It's 5:30.
5:30. So half an hour we'll practice. 6 to 7 I'll give the session. तब तक Rizan will practice as well if he wants to. And then उसके बाद we'll continue to do more practice. First warm up solve. Not bad.
Yeah.
Solid. Try to look ahead better. 8. Shit.
Nice.
So it is 5:57. I have to start a session at 6. We practiced a little bit and
Okay times.
Okay times. 6
Okay
7
times.
6 7 वाला है वो क्यों हो रहा है? Bro is actually nervous in comp sim. You're red, bro. You're red.
I know हो जाता है.
भाई relax भाई, chill. कॉम कल है, अभी we're practicing only.
हो जाएगा. We'll get the balance.
Yeah. Balance?
Balance.
And it has to go on the left of blue. So can we do that first? We can, right? Yeah. Okay, so we'll put that in. And so right now I just got done. I just got done with the session. We are doing Diet Coke and coffee mix करके something. I had this last month December में with a couple of friends and it actually tastes really good. So ये Rizan का glass है. Half Diet Coke जाएगी इसमें. As if I'm making a दारू का peg. And neither of us drink, by the way. He drinks non-alcoholic. And coffee का pouch. तो पूरे डाल दूँ?
हाँ.
पक्का?
Yeah.
अगर ये कड़वी लगेगी ना तो फिर we'll add आधी Diet Coke और. This is coffee and Diet Coke और मेरा glass ये रहा. ओए बच गया भाई. Diet Coke and coffee. First taste. Second taste.
Wow.
Second taste.
नकली रिएक्शन आया. पहला वाला अच्छा था.
भाई this is so good. Rizan has never tried Super U as well. And ये मेरी favorite protein wafer है. Like मैं एक तो हर दिन खाता हूँ ये. Just to get my sweet cravings out of the way. It doesn't have added sugar. And Rizan is going to try that for the first time. This is choco peanut butter flavor. How is it? It's really good, right? I got 7.11, which should have been a faster solve.
I get it. Your 7 is my 10 now.
Yeah. .37. It's almost 11 p.m. and I'm feeling very sleepy. I just took a shower a few minutes back and Rizan is taking a shower abhi. We both practiced a bunch of 3x3. We also did some 5x5, some 4x4. 5x5 I was not able to get some good times because lighting इतनी अच्छी नहीं है, but 4x4 में I was getting 27 average, 28 average, so it was solid. But I am just trying to, I'm gonna try to get a very good sleep, because sleep is something that helps me do very good at competitions. So I'm gonna crash right now, hopefully not wake up in the middle of the night, because that is what has been happening to me in the past few weeks. एकदम अच्छी consistent sleep नहीं आई काफ़ी टाइम से, तो hopefully आज I'll be able to clutch it and hopefully do really well tomorrow. Also, my goals for tomorrow, 3x3 I really want to break the national record. I've been getting really good times. I think this is the most I've practiced since 2024 का start. So I put in the work for this competition and the competition that is next weekend as well. 4x4 just PR average, anything below 28.99. That number has been haunting me since कश्मीर क्यूब ओपन 2022. 4 साल हो जाएंगे इस साल उस PR को. 5x5 I think I can clutch a PR if I lock in. Not a big deal, not a crazy average to break, but बहुत बार आसपास आके छूट चुके हैं वो भी. तो तीनों इवेंट से PR चाहिए, बट 3x3 में I really want the national record once. Just want it back once and then I'll be happy. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. Not nervous right now, but सुबह nervousness kick in कर जाएगी. Maybe comp पे कर जाएगी, but नहीं करेगी तो अच्छी बात है. My cube is good, my form is good. The only thing that's left is just to compete well there without getting nervous. So yeah, that's the plan. I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll crush it. Good night. Apparently, I could not go to sleep when I made that video abhi, that I'm going to bed and blah blah blah. मैंने आंखें बंद करी है, मेरी sleep चली गई. So right now I am doing something crazy. I am at 869 solves यहाँ पे, जो मैं घर से छोड़ के आया था. I'm going to do this for as long as I can. 900 तक तो कर ही दूंगा. If more, we'll see. Nice solve.